Okay, so as I promised, I'm gonna put a lip today. Okay, well, first thing first, this bumper gotta come out, so I will take it off quickly. Okay, so bumper's off. I already cleaned it with some alcohol. Let's see how it looks first, cause I don't know where it should go. Oh my god, I scratched it. But I just wanted to test fit it because I want to know how it looks first. Just gonna full sand it. Plus this hole is adjustable, so I can move it around. But I just want to be like drilling it right in the middle for the middle part, and then I'm gonna pull it down for the rest, and then adjust it accordingly. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so the bolts and nuts set I bought from City Meal. So this was something that camber god Alex, Mr. Havisto, was doing. That's actually really smart. Yes, it is kind of tedious, but for someone like him, he's this close to the ground and his lip stayed intact his whole time he had his car, which shows credibility that his lip really hold itself. And I don't want this thing to fall off in the middle of the road. So I decided to buy some washer. So I'm gonna do exactly what he was doing. If you want to get to know more about it, go watch his video that he posted recently. He talks about his new build with his Prius and stuff like that, so you guys can totally go check him out. But anyway, so here's the deal. My plan is to basically sandwich it with this, and then another washer, and then a nut.
These nuts. Got him!
Just test it out to see how it is first. Go from the back. Okay, the hole is too small. Nice. Okay, it sticks out a lot. So I'm gonna install it this way and then tighten it from the back. I think that's the plan. So I can always adjust it. You know what I mean? So, because, you know, it kind of, this is a big hole, so it kind of moves around a lot better. So, but like this, I'm gonna drill the rest and then test fit it. See how it looks. Okay, so I just drilled all the holes. All right, I just tightened it, the bolts. Oh my god, this method is so good because it's like it's there, it's in there, man. Like, this is how it looks. It looks pretty neat too. Like, let me zoom it up. So that bolt, I bought a wrong sizing bolt, so I have to go and get it replaced. But anyway, the rest looking pretty solid, man. Okay, so there's another extra 2 hole for the mount. There's an OEM bracket hole that will connect to a OEM Type X lip bolt, fastener, whatever. I don't have the bolt, so I'm just gonna drill the hole and we're gonna leave it like that for now because I'm gonna take it off anyway. So until then, I'm just gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna 310 it all around and then put it back on the car. So it's pretty solid. It's not gonna come out no matter what happens. So that's good. So now we're gonna put it back in the car. Oh my God. Look at that. Damn, that actually looks like a Type X car. Oh my God. I am so happy right now because after all the things that happened this week, this was very, very rewarding. Wow, I'm so stoked. I'm so stoked. I live for moments like this because this is what makes me happy, and I know you guys can relate on this. But I'm very happy right now. Anyway, I'm gonna wipe it down and I'll give you guys the B-roll. Let's go. I hope you guys love this video because as much as I love installing it, I love the way it looks. I fell in love with the car even more than ever. So yeah, I would say this was a huge dub, and I can't wait to repaint all this because that's what we're doing hopefully in the next video. But until then, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up, follow all my social media, and then I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.